Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a $1,000 a month business course review. The revolutionary online course that turns ideas into businesses and businesses into gold mines. Creator of this course, Noah Kagan. Guys, I'm going to show you a step-by-step full information about this course. I'm going to show you also verified versus a review. So stay tuned guys, don't skip this video. If you want to make really money from online, then this course is for you. Okay, Sumo Ling, we don't have to tell you that it's been crazy a few months. You have seen the news, you get it. But what we do have to tell you is that Sumo Noah Kagan is here to help. For a limited time, here is opening his groundbreaking course to help you start a business that generates 1K a month in revenue. This course was massive hit when it first launched for $600, but we are moving it away for a sixth of the price. Why? Because we want you to use this especially unique moment to your advantage and join the 10,000 plus entrepreneurs that have built super successful businesses using this program. Noah still gets emails from entrepreneurs telling him that this course changed their lives. So if you want to change your life, this course is for you guys. This is a very massive course. Why I recommend this course? I'm going to show you the full verified customer reviews, so stay tuned. Here is you can see the overview of this course, how to make $1,000 a month. Monthly1K is an online course that walks you step by step from idea to successful businesses in less than 1 month, even if you are not an expert. Backed by popular demand, this course is designed to not only help you jump the massive hurdle of starting a business, but to actually generate capital before spending any money on business's development. Okay, Noah Kagan, who is already launched 4 7-figure businesses himself, NVD, will walk you through how to overcome your fear and pick a killer business idea, validate that idea, and get your first paying customer in less than 1 week. Scale your business into $1,000 a month and more. Turn that businesses into a lifestyle or empire you decide. Okay guys, here is you can see the course module. Like any mastermind plan, it starts in phases. Phase number 1, your gold mine idea. Learn 6 methods that will help you produce at least 11 ideas that solve real problems. Then you will narrow it down to one that brings you the most money and joy. Phase number 2, validating your idea. Phase number 3, getting to $1,000. Phase number 4, scaling and beyond. Since 2013, over 10,000 Sumo links have enrolled in this course and the results speak of themselves. You can see the lots of testimonials guys like these. Okay, this is a testimonial, this is also testimonial, this is a testimonial. Okay guys, you can see that all the testimonials. I'm going to show the real testimonials guys, the verified versus. You can see the real testimonials. Okay, you can see the real testimonial. Normally this course would cost you $600, which you should make back in the first month, but right now we are offering it for a fraction of the course, only $100 one-time payment. Okay guys, get lifetime access to the Monthly1K course now, link in my video description below. Okay guys, here is I'm going to show right now plan and features, deal terms and conditions. Lifetime access to 1K month course by AppSumo. You must redeem your course within 365 days versus GDPR compliant. This course will provide 365-day money back guarantee. What opportunity they will provide guys. This is 365-day money back guarantee. You can imagine it, 365 day, try it out 365 days to make sure it is right for you. 4 courses modules, your golden idea, validating your idea, getting your first $1,000 and scaling and beyond. dozens of videos to guide you through the course, plus mobile and tablet accesses, exclusive access to monthly 1K Facebook group. Guys, right now I'm going to show you real 100% real and verified customer review. There are verses are this course, how to make $1,000 a month. Okay guys, this is the verses review, verified verses. You can see confidence and real progress on studios. 5-star review. This is 4-star review, that means this is good. Another 4-star review, great course, not up to date. Okay guys, here is the 5-star review, like the energy. Here is the another 5-star review, best value for money business e-course in the multiverse. Here is the long review they wrote about this course, guys, and I'm going to show you more reviews here. I'm going to show you more reviews. Here's the another 5-star reviews, guys. Excellent VFM and a bonus. Okay guys, here is the another 5-star review, helpful. Here is the another 5-star review. Wow, this is all are verified verses, guys, you can see. Okay, these all person versus this course, and they share their experience here, you can see. Okay, wow, I honestly cannot believe you get this much information for this price. Thank you. And here's the 5-star review, huge time and money saver. Here is the 1-star review, very bad luck to see this 1-star review, all a 5-star review. This 1-star review course not up to date. This claim this, and I read the one of the first review. That customer says the course is very up to date, but this person says not up to date. Okay, I'm going to show you another reviews. Just a moment, loading reviews, guys. Okay, you can see simple and effective. This is another 5-star review. Here is another review, fans of Noah Kagan. Okay, I heard about this course from Noah's podcast but cannot find it. Finally, AppSumo relaunches this course again. It is very great. These contents are solid and useful. Here is the another 5-star course, worth it. I bought this course like a week ago. I'm still going through it after a long time playing. Okay guys, another review, 3-star review, was not quite what I would hoped, but still valuable. Okay, here's the 5-star review, excellent, thank you. Here's another review, starting a business for dummies. Another review, 5-star review, which is a great course and a big family. Guys, I think you fully understand about this course, how to make first 1,000 month business. Okay, I think this course will change your life, because lots of people change their life using this course. They purchase this course actually and implement their life. I think this course will change you also. Okay guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Stay safe, you. Thank you. Our goal is to help you. And if you want to build your online business, launch your online business, or if you are struggling to make money from online, then this course is for you. This is 365-day money back guarantee. You can see here 365-day money back guarantee. So try it 365 days. Then if you think this is not for you, this is not good, then you can refund your money within 365 days. What an opportunity they will provide. Stay safe, you guys. Thank you. See you soon my next video.